Let's be ready. Start. An offence punishable under Section 409 of the Indian Penal Code if committed by a public servant or by a person dealing with property belonging to government as an agent of government in respect of property with which he is entrusted or over which he has dominion in his capacity of a public servant or in the way of his business as such agent. Stop. An offence punishable under Section 417 or Section 420 of the Indian Penal Code if committed by a public servant or by a person dealing with property belonging to government as an agent of government while purporting to act as such public servant or agent. Stop. The government notification allotting the present case to the special court is not on the record and therefore what its actual contents were cannot be stated with any precision. Stop. It may, however, be assumed that it mentioned the offence involved in the case to be that under Section 409 IPC and possibly did not state the various facts which went to establish that offence against the appellant. Stop. Section 409 IPC is mentioned in the schedule referred to in subsection under bracket 2 of section 4 of the act. Stop. The state government was therefore competent to allot the case involving that offence to the special court. Stop. In fact, it had to allot the case to the special court in view of the provision of subsection within bracket 1 of section 4 to the effect that the offences specified in the schedule shall be triable by special courts only. Stop. The question therefore really is whether the special court could try the appellant for the offence under section 420 IPC. Stop. An offence under section 420 IPC when committed in certain circumstances is also mentioned in the schedule. Stop. It has to be tried by special courts only when it is committed by a public servant while purporting to act as such. Stop. There is no doubt that the appellant is a public servant. Stop. This has not been disputed. Stop. Learned counsel for the appellant, Mr. Mukherjee, has urged that the expression while purporting to act as such public servant be construed to mean while purporting to act in the discharge of official duties and that presentation of a false bill could not be in the discharge of official duty. Stop. Such presentation may not be in the discharge of official duty, but the question is different and is as to whether the presentation of a false bill was made by the public servant purporting to do so in the discharge of his duty. Stop. Over.